This video is going to look at how you can solve the equation 2x minus 1 equals 15. This type of question will typically appear on an examination, and you will be given a number of options to choose for the value of x. In this video, I'm not going to suggest what the options are. I'm just going to show you the solution. So when you ever see one of these as a multi-choice question in an examination, you'll know how to calculate the result. So I'll move on to the next slide to show you the solution to this. This equals sign means that the value on this side, if we knew what x was, would be the same as this side, which is 15. If I was to double this side and double this side, then this equal sign would still hold, because you've done the same to both sides. If I was to subtract 10 from this side and subtract 10 from this side, this equal sign would still be valid because I've done the same to both sides. If I was to divide this by 2 and divide this by 2, then this equal sign would still hold because I've done the same to both sides. So you can think of the equal sign as a balance. So long as you do to this side what you do to this side, the equal sign will still hold. And that's the basis on which we can move forward and solve this problem. So we can write out 2x minus 1, and all this will equal the 15. And I'm going to now, to this side, add 1, and I'll have to add 1 to the other side as well. This will become 2x, because the minus 1 plus 1 is 0. And on the other side, we can see 15 plus 1 is equal to 16. Now, the equal sign is still valid because you can see that I've done the same to both sides. You can see I added 1 to this side and I added 1 to this side. In the next step, you can see I'm dividing both sides by 2. So here I've got 2x divided by 2, and here I've got 16 divided by 2. So the equal sign is still valid because I've done the same to both sides of the equal sign. 2x divided by 2 is x, and 16 divided by 2 is 8. We can check the answer by going to the original equation and replacing the x with the 8 we've just found. Subtract 1 from that, and we end up with 2 times 8 is 16 minus 1. And of course, this is 15. And we can look and see that is exactly what the original equation said. Consequently, the x equals 8 is correct.